Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a headlight bulb on a Lexus GS350. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, simply open the hood to gain access to the headlight area. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement process. Next, locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently twist and pull to disconnect this connector. There might be a protective cover or a few clips holding the bulb in place. Carefully remove these to expose the bulb itself. This step is crucial for gaining full access to the old bulb. Now, with the old bulb exposed, carefully twist or unclip it from its housing and remove it. When handling the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the new bulb correctly and insert it firmly into the housing. You should feel it click or lock into place securely. Finally, reattach any protective covers or clips you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, making sure it's snug. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This simple check ensures your repair is complete and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.